Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable developer options on Android safely step by step clearly. To disable developer options on your Android device, start by accessing the settings menu. Locate and tap on the settings icon from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down to find system and tap on it. In the system menu, look for developer options. Tap on developer options to open the menu. At the top of the developer options screen, you will see a toggle switch. Tap the toggle switch to turn off developer options. Once you do this, all developer features will be disabled immediately. Return to the previous menu by tapping the back button or the home button. If needed, you can also clear data related to developer options for added security. To do this, go back to the settings menu. Select apps or applications. Find and tap on Show System Apps if necessary. Scroll through the list and find Settings or System UI. Tap on it to access the app info screen. From there, tap on Storage, and then choose Clear Data or Clear Cache. Confirm your selection to ensure all developer settings are reset. After you've completed these steps, developer options will be successfully disabled on your Android device. Your device will now operate in standard mode without developer features. Check to ensure that the option no longer appears in your settings menu. This ensures that your device remains secure and optimized for everyday use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.